Okay. Another one, relative velocity, kinematics in 2 or 3 dimension, usually 2 dimension. A river flows due south. So I think we again have to draw this one. So you have a river going south. So I think this is in relation to the last problem that I solved. So the river now is going south. So you have a river, a flowing river going south. So going south siya. Okay. So that is the river. And then that is going south. The velocity of the river is going south. A river flows due south with a speed of 2 meters per second. So this would be a speed of 2 meters per second. Ano yung to? The river flows due south with a speed. So mapapansin nyo ito na speed is the river with respect to earth. This is VRE. This is the velocity of the river with respect to the earth. Kasi yung due south natin, earth man yun. Diba? So ito siya is VRE. The velocity of the river with respect to the earth, which is given is 2 meters per second. 2 meters per second. Another one, a man steers a motorboat across the river. His velocity relative to the water, to the river, is 4.42 meters due east. So, relative to river to siya. So, parang, you could just imagine actually, para to siyang, kasi relative to river, pero pa-east siya, while the river is moving. Actually, parang nakatagilid yung boat na to. Paano ba drawing? Ganyan na lang siguro. Ayan. Parang actually, nakatagilid yan siya. Kasi, kukontrahin niya yung VRE, so mag-i-east na siya. Okay? So, pero actually, in drawing, if you're looking at the earth, parang magsasalungot yan siya. Okay? So that it would have an east side. So, gano'n natin pag-drawing. Anyway, drawing lang naman yan. So, ang importante dito yung pangalan niya, 4.2 meters per second relative to the river. So, 4.2, the velocity is equal to relative to the river. This is the boat. Ano ba yung pangalan niya? Boat ba to? Canoe? Man steers motorboat. So, M. Motorboat is M. Gawin natin M. The velocity of the motorboat with respect to the river to siya. So, that is east. Sana siya? 4.2 meters per second. 4.2, that is 4.2 meters per second. So, with respect to the river. And then the question is, the river is 800 meters wide. So, you have a river which is 800 meters. So, itong banda dito, so, parang pantay yung river. So, 800 meters yung river. Medyo malawak, malayo. 800 meters, almost a kilometer. 800 meters wide. What is this velocity and magnitude relative to the earth? So the question is the velocity relative to the earth. Velocity of the motorboat relative to earth. Yun yung tanong. Now, kung diretsuhin natin, that should give you the velocity of the motorboat relative to the river plus the velocity of the river relative to the earth. Parang ganun siya. MR. So, diretso lang. Kasi ito VR, ito siya, ito VMR. Okay? So, diretso lang siya. Kaya lang medyo nakatagilid itong 4.2 relative to kasi relative to earth to siya. So parang unknown yung angle dito. Parang anyway, yun yung mga yung question Man's motorboat sa river's velocity relative to the water is 4.2 meters per second due east. Unknown yung angle dito. I think nasa kaliwang problem pa. With respect to the I think baka mali yung pagkakaintindi ko kasi maging unknown yung angle eh. Man's sa motorboat across the river's velocity relative to the water is 4.2 meters per second. But it is due east. So, ibig sabihin, parang hindi talaga siya pa east. So, parang gintadong ininiya ngayon. So, I think mali yung drawing ko. So, I think yung ibig niyang sabihin, diretso lang yan siya, due east. O with respect to the earth. Yung angle mo is with respect to the earth. Kasi magtutuan noon, which is parang hindi ko yan masosolve. So, I think medyo masyado lang akong nag-iisip ng advance. So, I think the motorboat would just be going to the east. Okay? So, this would be a motorboat going to the east. So, that is the VMR. That is east lang siya. So, diretso. So, meaning, ito, VME, that would give you direct. Kasi diretso naman to siya. That would be VMR 4.2 meters per second. Kaya lang, x-axis lang yung unit niya. Yung direction niya. So, this would be an I hat. And then, for your VRE, y lang din siya. So, that would be a 2 meters per second going down. So, kailangan natin at yatang in-negative to siya. Kasi that is going down. So, that is minus 2 meters per second. And then, you would have a j hat. Okay? So, anyway, wala naman silang component na magsasalubong. So, basically, this would be the vectors. Sorry for my inefficiency. So, mga vectors to siya. So, vectors, kaya mayroon siyang ij. If you just want the VME, the magnitude, then of course, you only have to square root the 4.2 squared plus your negative 2 squared, which will give you, of course, a positive value because squared siya. So, square root of 4.2 squared plus your 2 squared. And it will give you 4.65. Ilan ba yung binigay niyang mga dalawa? Matalang ito tatlo. So, dalawa yung pinaka. So, meaning, dalawa yung kuwan ko, 4.7. That would give me a 4.7 meters per second. For the direction theta, so, kasi pababa to, parang gaganito siya. Habang siya nagbumabagtas kasi pinupush siya ng VRE. So, that would give you an arctan. So, third quadrant siya. Fourth quadrant. We have a positive x while a negative y. So, tanggalin natin yung negative. That would be a 2 all over 4.2. And that would give you angle with respect to the x. 2 divided by arctan. 2 divided by 4.2. And that would give you 25 or 26 degrees on two significant figures. 26 degrees on two significant figures. So you have to draw this one kasi yun yung style sa book, sa direction, para alam niya. Kasi tinatanggal natin yung negative eh. Sa ibang book yata iba. So that should be your 26 degrees. Of course, kung quiz to, yung answer nyo dapat is from here going there. So that should be a 360 minus 26. So again, sa quiz ko, nilalagay ko yan. 360 minus 26. and that should give you 334 degrees sa quiz ko. But dito usually 26 yung makikita nyo dyan pag ginamit nyo yung formula na arctan, kasi yun yung derivation nya. Okay, so letter A, I think may B pa itong problem na to. What's the velocity, magnitude, direction, how much time is required to cross the river? Yun lang. How much time is, mag-a-angle din tayo nito. Kasi 800 meters papunta dito. So, meaning, kukunin kasi natin yung, or, pwede natin gamitin yung y lang. Y. You could use actually yung y lang, which is ito na 4.2 meters per second, kasi y man lang to siya. Tapos, i-divide mo ng 800. That is one way. Or, gumamit ka ng angle, tapos, kunin mo rin yung distance dito, ito. Which is, mas magiging mahirap. Sige nga, sir. I-try mo nga yung dalawang, that's my use. That's the use of your sir. Pwede kang gumamit dito ng triangle. Okay? At ito dito yung 26 degrees mo. So, I think, mas maganda dito solving ko yung dalawa kasi yun yung gamit ni sir. So, my first option is just use the y. Itong 4.2. Ano yung question? Time ba? The question is, how much time? So, kung time yung kailangan mo, again, walang mga acceleration to ha, sa relative velocity. Ganun lang talaga yung problem. Hindi nila pinapa-accelerate pa to make it simpler. Of course, may acceleration to, medyo mahirap to siya. Anyway, wala man nang binigay. So, hindi pa ako nakatry. So, pwede kong gamitin yung 4.2. So, that time would be just equal to 4.2 meters per second all over your 800 meters. Baliktad yata. Control Z, 800 meters, kasi yung buka to ng river. So 800 meters per second divided by 4.2 meters per second, and that will give you, this is the first solution. Kasi pakitang gila si sir diba? So solve niya yung tagdadalawa para alam nyo talaga na, tama si sir, tama. So that would take her 100 or take him 190 seconds. For the second solution, I would use this 4.7 with respect to the 26. Kaya lang kukunin ko yung distance na ganito. Meaning, ano ba ito siya? If this is ano ba to siya? This is 800, merong kang 26 dito. So pwede kang gumamit ng hindi ako makakapag-Pythagorean Hindi ako makakapag-Pythagorean, so that would be cosine. Adjacent over hypotenuse. So tangent, kaya lang ito inibanan ko na. Tangent theta is equal to tangent theta is equal to opposite 800 all over your VMR over your 4.7. Kaya lang itong 4.7 naman 800 over hypotenuse. Yung hypotenuse is VMR. Sorry. Yung distance pala. Yun. Sabihin natin yung distance na to ay D. Yan, D. So, all over D. So, itong D na to, yun yung i-divide mo sa 4.7. So, D is equal to 800 meters all over tangent theta. Tapos, yung D, so, yung time mo naman is, of course, yung distance all over your VME. Diba? So, ito na siya. So, 800 meters all over tangent theta. Pwede ko lang itong ilagay dito. So, tangent theta actually is just equal to 2 all over 4.2. Kita nyo? So, meaning, dito 800 over 2 all over 4.2. So, ito yung distance pa lang. So, i-divide ko to siya ng ito. Which is, gusto ko hindi ibanan itiya significant figures. Actually, pwede gala 4.7, pero kaya ginlabdang ko ito niya significant figures. Yan, nakaroy ko ito ibalik. And 4.2 squared plus 2 squared. So, parang yung mangyayari, ganito. 800 meters. Lagyan ko ng mga unit, ha? And then, you have your 4.2. Kasi ito, tataas to eh. Magiging 4.2 meters per second. So, times 2 siya. Divided by ng 2 meters per second. Tapos, ito siya is sa baba siya. So, the square root of meters per second din to eh. 4.2 squared plus 2 squared. Kita nyo? Kita nyo? So, that would give me, ito, yung unit na lalabas dito is meters per second din. So, cancel ng meters per second, and then cancel ako dito ng meter. So, mapapansin nyo, babalik ako dito sa seconds. Okay, I'll plug it to my calculator. 800 times 4.2 all over 2 times the square root of 4.2 squared plus 2 squared. In which, may kita nyo is, that should give us, oh, sir, iba man. Yun lang. 361 seconds. Square root na ba? So, baka may makali lang ako na formula. Yung distance is 800. Dito, tangent theta is adjacent TOA. Ay, kaya lang cosine pala to. Mali. Sorry. Anyway, dito lang naman yung mali. Dito, hindi yan tangent theta. Hindi yan kasi tangent theta. Ang ginamit natin kasi is cosine. So, cosine theta, that is adjacent over hypotenuse. So, cosine to siya. Sorry, guys. So, at least may kita nyo, nagkakamali rin, sir. Hindi ko kailangan itong i-edit. So, didiretso ko to siya. So, ibig sabihin yung D is cosine to dito. Cosine theta. Yun lang. Yung cosine theta, cosine theta, yung theta is ito, arctan 2 all over 42. Ito. So, mag-arctan, magko-cosine ako dito. Magko-cosine ako dito. Cosine. Kasi ayaw kong pakialaman yung mga kwan eh. But anyway, you can use. Kaya lang, tag-anim-anim yung, anyway, I have to have an elegant solution. Kasi sir ako eh. Diba? Kaya, hindi ko yung papakialaman. 2 all over 4.2. Parang ganun. All over 4.2. So, cosine arctan 2 all over 4.2. Tapos, i-divide ko siya nito. So, finally, ganito yung mangyayari dito sa baba. Teka. So, what will happen? What will happen is you have an 800 meters all over cosine theta din, no unit yung baba. Ito siya sa baba din. So, dadalawa sila sa baba. Yung cosine arctan 2 all over 4.2 ganun. Tapos, multiply ng square root of 4.2 squared plus 2 squared. Ikaw sir, pag hindi yan tumama, okay lang yan, magkamali, at least makita nyo. cosine, cosine pala. Cosine of arctan. Arctan 2 all over 4.2. Parenthesis, parenthesis times the square root of 4.2 squared plus 2 squared. And the answer is, it should be the same, 190. 190 ba yung kanina? Yun. I told ya. Pwede yan. Yung lalabas na answer dyan is 190 seconds. So, nagkamali lang ng konti si sir. So, makikita nyo ito is equal din dito. So, alin yung mas madali? Diba madali yung una. Yung ginamit mo lang yung x-axis kasi yun lang naman yung lapad ng river. But anyway, kung gamitin mo yung talaga yung takbo ng kawan, which is naka 26 degrees siya, ito yung magiging pagdadaanan mo. Mula saan? Mula dito, cosine theta is 800 over d. Meaning, kinuha mo yung distance na to. Ito. Kasi ito naman ang itatraverse mo. Diba? With that, 4.7 meters per second. Nakita nyo? 190 seconds, at dito 190 seconds. Dalawang solution yon. Next, meron pa yata. How far south of his starting point will he reach the opposite bank? How far south? So, ito na yung sagot. Kasi, trinaverse naman niya ito ng 190 seconds. Actually, yung tanong lang dito, ito na side, ito. Ano daw to kalayo? In terms of the opposite direction. Kasi, ito yung target niya, dito siya dapat maglaland, pero dito siya maglaland. So, meaning, kung ano ba yung pwedeng notation natin dyan? How much time is required to, how far? Fs na lang. So, this is DFS. Distance far south. Distance far south. Yan na lang. So, yung distance far south mo, far south is from the triangle na lang. Pwede mo gamitin yung 26 degrees or pwede mo ring gamitin yung ano ba yung pwede mong gamitin? I think you could use, tingnan ko lang ha, I'm not so sure with this. But anyway, I could use the x lang, itong 2 meters per second, and then use the time, 190 seconds. Shift, store A. Parang ganun. So, maybe I'll show you the solution. Yung pinakamabilis dito is, you use the 2 meters per second. 2 meters per second multiply ng total time. Kasi mag 190 seconds siya 190 seconds. Of course, naka-store A sa calculator ko. So, hindi talaga 190. 190.476 something. So, 2 times 2 times alpha A, and that would give me 381 meters. 381 meters far south. So you could just imagine 381 meters. Medyo malayo-layo yun. Medyo malayo-layo. Kasi yung 1 kilometro, hinati mo ng 3 beses. So that would be 381 meters. You could just imagine. Another solution is, pwede kong gamitin na naman triangle 800, itong angle na to. I could use the 800 meters and then TOA, tangent theta. Yun, pwede na yun. Another one is tangent theta, TOA, which is opposite. Yun na, yung DFS yun. Yung opposite kasi is DFS. Di ba ito? DFS, 90 degrees ka man yan dyan. All over, opposite over adjacent, which is 800. So, DFS is actually equal to 800 tangent theta, which is 800 tangent and then your 26. So, I could just replace the tangent theta with ito, 2 all over 42. Yung kanina. So, 2 all over 42, 4.2. Yun. So, 800 times 2 divided by 4.2. And the answer is the same, 381 meters. Oh, tagdala-dalawang solution si sir. Siya rin nyo yan maintindihan. Diba? Ganyan talaga si sir. Pakitang gilas yan. Dalawang solution para talagang maintindihan. So, this is my first solution. And then, you just look back. Kung di kayo nakaintindi, balikan nyo paano ko sinolve siya. Nakita nyo, dalawang solution talaga yung ginawa ko. To each problem, di ba? A and B. O, yun. A, B, C na. Yun to A, magnitude and direction. B is how much time. And C is gaano siya kalayo. Okay? So, thank you guys for listening.